Automation Anywhere's latest .38 release is here, and it's packed with powerful new upgrades. In this video, we'll walk you through the top 5 developer-focused features designed to take your AI-powered automations to the next level. Starting with number 5, Enterprise Resiliency. This release includes several updates to improve automation resiliency, but one standout feature that I'd like to highlight is the Interrupt Handler package. Interrupt Handler helps your automations run smoothly even when something unexpected happens, like pop-ups, alerts, or re-authentication prompts that would normally pause execution. When an interruption occurs, automations recover based on the predefined logic and continues from where it left off without needing manual intervention. This not only boosts reliability, but also reduces downtime and manual effort, leading to up to 80% more resilient automations across your processes. Moving on to number 4, Automation Cloud Service is now available on private cloud. This means organizations can now run real-time, auto-scaling automations behind their own firewall, with complete control and security. It's built on a Linux-based, containerized infrastructure, which eliminates the need for Windows virtual machines and significantly lowers infrastructure costs. You also get millisecond-level performance, enabling low-latency automations ideal for high-speed enterprise use cases. The platform can scale horizontally to support millions of AI executions while maintaining reliability and performance. And finally, with over 100 pre-built packages and connectors, you can easily integrate with enterprise applications and large language models to build powerful connected automations. Number 3 is Agentic Orchestration. AI agents are now fully embedded into the Mozart Orchestrator, also known as the Process Composer. This means that you can visually orchestrate AI agents, bots, APIs, and document workflows, all within a single intelligent process environment. You can now design both autonomous and deterministic solutions using one unified interface. And the best part, you can even build entire processes using natural language prompts. Simply describe what you want to automate, and the system will generate the workflow for you. This dramatically accelerates development and makes automation creation more intuitive than ever before. For a specific use case, you can build a deterministic solution, as shown here, where the flow is clearly defined. Or build an autonomous solution and let it figure out the flow of steps based on the current state. And now, with AI agents within the Mozart Orchestrator, solutions are much easier to build, which would look like this. And then you empower the AI agent with tools like cloud service tasks, taskbots, forms, and even include human in the loop for validation and approvals. Moving on to number 2, high-scale cloud extraction service. With the cloud extraction service, built for high-volume document processing use cases, data extraction runs entirely in the cloud, eliminating the need for bot runners, licenses, or even infrastructure management. It's designed to scale instantly, allowing you to process millions of documents as volumes increase without any performance drop. And because it's cloud native, it delivers low latency, high-speed extraction, making it ideal for front office or real-time use cases. Overall, you can expect 5 times faster processing and over 20% cost savings compared to traditional setups, giving you scalability, speed, and efficiency all in one solution. Enabling the cloud extraction service is simple. Just select the cloud extraction option while creating your new learning instance, and you're all set. It's as simple as that. And moving on to one of my favorite features in this release, autonomous AI agents. These AI agents take enterprise automation beyond rule-based bots to intelligent, goal-based systems. Goal-based AI agents take automation to the next level. Instead of just following rules, they work towards defined business goals, figuring out the best way to achieve them. They plan and act autonomously, freeing people from repetitive, multi-step tasks and keeping operations running efficiently. These agents don't just follow a fixed script, they adjust based on the situation. As you can see, they are empowered to utilize different tools such as task bots, cloud service tasks, and forms, or even other agents to respond dynamically to their environment. This flexibility allows them to choose the best path for each scenario, delivering smarter and more effective results. Keeping humans in the loop is a key part of how AI agents operate. They can handle multi-step tasks on their own, but know when to pause and ask for clarification or escalate complex issues to a human. This collaboration ensures decisions stay accurate, reliable, and aligned with business context, combining the best of human judgment and AI efficiency. To power these goal-based AI agents, you can use the Automation Anywhere hosted LLM models, giving users instant access to powerful generative AI within the control room with no external setup required. These models are secure and fully governed, hosted on our trusted Automation 360 cloud platform to ensure compliance and safety. And they're purpose-built for agentic workloads, enabling AI agents to think, act, and use the full range of tools available across the control room. As a bonus, we'd like to share one more cool update. We don't usually dive into package updates, but some exciting new ones are now available in the control room, and we wanted to highlight them for you. We've added new packages for Microsoft Teams, Word, and Interrupt Handler, enabling richer collaboration and improved automation resiliency. Existing packages like Mail Iterator, Apple Numbers, and Cloud Service Tasks have been enhanced for better performance and flexibility. And we now support Apple Keynote for creating and editing presentations. Overall, these updates expand your automation reach, connecting more apps, handling more use cases, and improving reliability. And that's a wrap on the top 5 developer features in the .38 release. To learn more, check out our university portal for training and hands-on exercises to help master these new features. Now, it's your turn. Which feature in this release did you like the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm Aaron Gleason. Thanks for watching, and go be great.